Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, FWD, headlights auto off, security system. Come see the car for yourself.